Welcome back, Nail Queens, to my final video of 2021. If you're not familiar with what this dip powder is, I'm going to talk to you guys all about it in today's video while I put this color on my nails. This color is called Premier Tier 1, and let me show you the powder in the jar. I've never seen any dip powder in all of the couple thousand, yes, I have over 2,000 dip powders. I've never seen one that looks quite like this in the fine texture that it is, and it's just like it melts into your nails. Anyways, I'm going to talk to you guys about who it's from, the price, and why it's so difficult, or was so difficult to get. And just in true Carole fashion, you didn't see me dip my thumb because I didn't hit record. So I'm going to start dipping and get into all the juicy details about this dip powder. So let's go back in time to about late May of this year, 2021, when Sparkle & Co. sent an email to less than 200 of their customers saying that they could qualify to get this exclusive dip powder in their orders. Now, I do not know what the qualifications were for those 200 people to get the email from Sparkle & Co., but rumor has it that you had to spend $3,200 in a 5.5-month time span. I don't know if that's correct, though, because some people stated they got the email as well and definitely didn't spend that much money. So that's just rumor. There's not really a lot of basis of fact to that. Maybe they made a few exceptions, I don't know. But in the email, they sent a customer appreciation email to very specific customers, not only offering 30% off of their purchase, but if you spent over $100, you qualify to get a complimentary dip of this exclusive Premier Tier 1 dip powder. Will you just look at that powder? My goodness, it is blingy. It's got a lot going on. It's silver hollow, which is why I chose to wear it today for New Year's Eve, is because it reminds me of a disco ball. It just got all the sparkle going on. And you know what? To be honest, I'm not that big of a fan of hollow, but I made an exception because this was, I'm like trying to figure out what all the rave about this is. Is it truly worth $50? I don't know. We're going to find out. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with how buy-sell trade groups on Facebook run and reselling, but usually very highly sought after limited edition ran colors tend to go for a lot on these Facebook groups, especially if they're really pretty or very hard to get. Anyways, you can only imagine how expensive this dip powder got as people were reselling it for $50+. People were running auctions, reselling it. Anyways, I don't know if Sparkle & Co. caught wind of this, but they, in July, decided to run a All Is Fair in Love and Mystery Bags promotion. Yes, so in their promotion, every 1 in 25 mystery bags will have a Premier Tier 1 mini dip powder in it. So if you placed an order and you purchased just one bag, you had a 1 in 25 chance of getting this dip powder in your bag. Now that's a huge gamble if you ask me, and you know that's a huge cash grab for Sparkle & Co. as well, because that means out of every 100 orders, only 4 of them will be having this Premier Tier 1 dip powder in it. I don't know how many jars of this dip powder they made, but later on, they started offering this dip powder for sale on their website by itself for $50. Yes, a big 50, not 15, not 15, not 5, but 50. That's 100 divided by 2. Yep, they were offering this dip powder for $50. And now I'm here today wearing it, trying to figure out, is it truly worth $50? Mind you, if you are a subscriber, you could use your 20% off discount code to purchase this. So that brings the dip powder down to $40 after you use the discount, which is exactly what I did. And I also had referral store credit. Thank you guys for using my name in the referrals because that made it possible for me to purchase this. I only spent about $4 after I used all of my credits to get this because honestly, I cringed at the idea of myself spending $50 on this. Is it beautiful? Yes, especially when it's in a super powdery form. However, I don't know if you guys know how hollow works, but hollow needs light in order to look like a freaking rainbow. So if you are in a dark area, there's not a lot of direct light on your nails, your hands are gonna look, well, at least mine did, dead, because gray doesn't look that great on me. It makes my hands look washed out and dead. And I'm like, honestly, it just doesn't look that great as it does here. My hands aren't going to be in direct light and sunlight all the time. And I want to show you guys the fineness of this glitter flake, whatever you want to call it. I don't know much about this, but it's an extremely fine glitter. I have a few hollow dips from different companies, and nothing has come to the fineness of this one. And this clings to everything and it flies everywhere. So as you can see, my jar is full of these flakes and I have it all over my hands, and even my nail station is full of the flakes. So it can get kind of messy. So now I'm going to clear encapsulate all of these nails because obviously I want to file, shape, and buff and make sure that this flake is nice and protected and I don't ruin the hollow. Anyways, I don't know if you guys know, but you can ruin hollow by clouding it. And ways to cloud it is, you're going to see after I put the clear dip on, it's going to look very muted and you're not going to be able to see the hollow that well. But I do not recommend using a matte top coat or mattifying this dip powder, or any hollow dip powder for that matter, because it's going to mute the hollow and make it look kind of muddy and gross. So that's just a tip from me. If you have this color or anything of this nature, don't use a matte top coat if you want to keep the true sparkly rainbow thing going. Now, if you're still watching this video, please do not think that I'm trying to encourage anybody to go out and spend $50 on a dip powder. If I'm being completely honest and blunt right now, there are different options out there that can range from $7 to $14, and it won't cost you an arm and a leg. If you want silver hollow flakes, you can find them elsewhere. They just won't be as fine as this one, because I haven't found it from another company that's just as fine and jam-packed as this one. But it's out there, so you can still get the sparkly hollow. Anyways, Sparkle & Co. apparently is releasing a Premier Tier 2. It's a pink version of this dip powder. So they're making like a silvery pink holographic dip powder just like this, and they're making it super exclusive again. Now, what do I mean by super exclusive? Well, Premier Tier 2, the pink version, is only available to people who sign up for their 12-month prepaid annual subscription bag. So their current subscription bag that is monthly, if you are currently subscribed and you want Premier Tier 2, you're going to have to cancel your subscription and subscribe annually. So you're going to pay for the whole year in advance. If you do this and you sign up for the I Want It All Dip, or I Want It All Ultimate, you'll receive a 1 ounce of Premier Tier 2 for free. So this promotion runs from the 18th of December until the 5th of January. It was supposed to end on the 27th of December, but they extended the promotion by 9 days. Now, how much is this going to cost somebody who signs up for the annual subscription? Well, if you do the $66.99 a month option, for the I Want It All Dips or I Want It All OG subscription, it's going to cost you $683 a year. You have to pay that upfront in order to be eligible to get Premier Tier 2 for free. If you do the more expensive option, the $91.99 option, it's going to cost you $938 upfront for the year. They are discounting the whole subscription by 15%, so you are saving a little bit of money. However, it is a lot of money to ask of somebody during the holidays. That's just my personal opinion. Some people might find it worth it. Some people are really invested in Sparkle & Co. subscription bags, and they know they're going to spend that money anyways. They know they're going to be subscribed, so it's totally worth it for them if they have the cash to spend. I personally could not drop $700 to $900 at once on a subscription bag, because honestly, I don't spend that much on their subscriptions every single year. I subscribe for a couple months and then I unsubscribe. I know that I don't like spring bags and I don't like winter bags, so I try not to be subscribed during the seasons that I'm not really invested in, that are not my cup of tea. So for me, this is not a good value. Anyways, I'm about to get into top coating this manicure. I'm wiping everything off, trying to get all the activator off before I apply my top coat, but you're going to be able to see here how it transforms from dull to sparkly. So clear encapsulating it, personally, in my opinion, doesn't affect the gorgeous sparkle that is in this color. Now, I know I've had a lot to say in this video today, and it's not your traditional YouTube video, but since this dip powder is $50, I figured there's going to be a lot to say because there's going to be a lot of opinions when there's a high price on an item that usually doesn't go for this expensive. So a couple questions I want to ask myself in order to determine if this color is worth the $50 price tag. My first question is it pretty? Yes. Are there others like it on the market? Yes. Would I see myself wearing this more than once or twice? No. Gray and hollow is not really my cup of tea. I don't wear a lot of hollow, so I could not see myself wearing this that many times. And am I willing to spend $50 on this without cringing or thinking twice? No. At most, I think this should cost $20. I think the $50 price tag is a little steep, and I'm not entirely sure if it really costs this much for them to make a profit off of it, or if it's taking advantage of people's FOMO because people in the buy-sell trade groups were trying to sell it for that much. Anyways, I figured I would end this year with something different and unique, a review about something with a very high price tag, even if the dip powder is pretty. So I just want to end this with saying thank you to everyone for watching this video and for all of your support on my channel. I really appreciate it. It does not go unnoticed. Happy New Year, everybody. Please stay safe tonight, and I'll see you guys in 2022. Bye.